Blockchain and crypto legal advisors versus traditional financial regulators counsel. Which one is better for tokenized business models? Most businesses get this wrong. They treat tokenized business models like traditional financial products. The surprising truth is that navigating crypto requires both specialized blockchain insight and regulatory compliance knowledge. Blockchain and crypto legal advisors specialize in digital assets, smart contracts, and decentralized business models. They help design token offerings, create legal structures for decentralized applications, and advise on intellectual property in the blockchain space. For example, a startup launching a security token might rely on crypto advisors to ensure the token's utility, governance rules, and smart contract coding meet industry standards. Traditional financial regulators counsel, on the other hand, focuses on ensuring compliance with existing securities banking and fintech regulations. They help businesses interpret laws in multiple jurisdictions, manage licensing requirements, and communicate with regulators. For instance, a tokenized lending platform may need advice from regulatory counsel to comply with anti-money laundering laws, licensing thresholds, and investor protection regulations. The key difference is innovation versus compliance. Crypto advisors understand the technology and business model risks, while regulatory counsel ensures the project operates within the law. Most successful tokenized projects combine both. Advisors help structure innovative products, while regulatory counsel prevents legal pitfalls and enforcement actions. The takeaway is simple. Neglecting crypto expertise can lead to poorly structured tokens, and ignoring regulatory guidance can result in fines or shutdowns. The surprising truth is that companies integrating both perspectives have a higher chance of sustainable, legally compliant blockchain operations. For any business exploring tokenized models, leveraging blockchain legal advisors alongside regulatory counsel ensures both innovation and compliance. It's the combination that turns cutting-edge ideas into sustainable, legally sound ventures.